Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another beautiful little Mulberry to show you today. So this is a Mulberry zip around wallet and it's in that lovely clay colour, which is one of my favourite Mulberry colours. I think it's just a perfect earthy neutral kind of colour. So we've got that zip around closure, and then inside we've got leather lining, so burgundy leather lining, really classy looking colour combination, especially with that gold hardware as well. It's really beautiful. So on that interior we've got 3 compartments. So we've got that central zipped compartment there, and then we also have another 2 compartments. So in this back compartment we've got one flat pocket at the top there along the back, and then 3 card slots. And then in the front compartment we've got the same again, so another bigger flat pocket and another 3 card slots there as well. The condition of this one is in a stunning condition. So we've called the exterior and the interior excellent. There's no marks, no signs of wear for me to show you on that exterior or on that interior. It has really nice smooth leather and there's no marks or signs of wear for me to show you on the interior. It's in a really gorgeous condition. The hardware we've called very good. You can see that most of it is all really beautiful, and it all still works really nicely as well. There is just a little bit of scratching on this zip pull, so just here there is a really small bit of scratching that you can hopefully see on the camera there, but again it's barely noticeable, so that is why we called it very good. In a beautiful condition all around. It comes with a little Mulberry product tag, so we've got the info on the back of there, and then we've also got the Mulberry box with Mulberry tissue paper inside there as well, which I think is always nice and makes a little gift idea. Even if you're gifting it to yourself, it's nice for it to come with the box as well. So if you would like the exact measurements for this little wallet, go to the link in the description below. It is the link to shop this bag, so go to that link if you're interested in buying and finding out a few more details on it. If it doesn't take you directly to this and it just takes you to our generic product page, don't worry. That does mean it has sold, but don't worry, we can get you on our request list. So if this is your kind of thing, if you like SLGs, little wallets, simple little purses like this one, get in contact with us, let us know that you love this, and we'll get you on our request list. And then as soon as we have another one in, you'll be one of the first to know, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly. And that applies to any requests you have in mind as well, so whatever it is, just let us know and we'll be happy to get you on that request list for you. So that's the request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website. I'll show you the size on me for reference. I know it is a wallet, but if you like to use it as a clutch, again, it's really nice, simple, elegant looking bag, especially in this colour. It's really simple little shape as well. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and that is what it looks like on me. So if you would like more details, go to the link in the description below. Sign up to our newsletter on our website and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. If you would like a discount, don't miss out on that. Get that, sign up to that newsletter. You'll find the option to do that at the bottom of any page, so just scroll down on our website, find a little box you can pop your email in and sign up to that newsletter, and we'll send you through. Also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page while you're on our website. We'd love to see what you've got for us if you've got any Armcandy that you are interested in selling, so have a read through that process on there. Don't forget to like this video while you're here and also subscribe to our channel. We don't want you to miss out on any beautiful pieces that we have to show you, and we'll be back very soon with some more.